Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can show notification on Android lock screen. Okay, first of all, we need to open our settings application on our Android phone. And after we have our settings application opened, we can go to the notification setting, this one. And we have to find the lock screen notification. Just click on this option, and if you want to show notification on your Android lock screen, you have to activate this lock screen notifications. You just need to click on the toggle button to activate it. Okay, and here we have two options. Either we want to show content or hide content. And here I'm gonna go with show content, so the content of the notification will be shown on my Android lock screen. And right after activate this feature, we don't need to unlock our phone. If we want to get the notification, we can see the notification from our Android lock screen. And I guess that's how we can show notification on Android lock screen. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.